Canva just dropped a massive AI update, but for me, the video tools, that's where things get crazy. I tested several of their new video features, and they're making things that used to take hours in minutes. So in this video, I'm only focusing on Canva's newest video tools and what they can actually do. Let me show you what I mean. I'm on the Canva homepage, and I'm going to share some of the new updates for Canva AI 2.0 with you. There were lots of them, but in this video, I'm going to focus on video-related updates. First, I'll click on Video. I need to be in the template area. Check this out. Look at all of this. So if we go to Video, we're going to see all the new video stuff that they just added. We've got things for mobile video, landscape, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Video collages. Now, this is really interesting. All these are pre-made and include several pictures. They also have motion in them. So if you added your own pictures in here, you'd have your own professional-looking video collage in just a second. Most have sound or music, too. There's also these free ads you can use. So if you have a business, you could come in here, choose one of these, and change out the pictures. They already have all the motion added to them and text that you can change any way you want. So come in here and choose one, put your product in it, and just make a few changes, and you'd have a really nice ad to put on social media or your website in minutes. What a great time saver. I won't go through all of these, but I did want to show you some of these others, such as a landscape video. So many could be used as intros for your YouTube channel, etc. If you want mobile videos, we've got a lot of new ones in here. Some have their own video effects already included in them. Definitely come in here and explore this section. Let's try this one. So if you click on it, it'll pull this up, and just make sure you click on it right here. Next, choose an image. I'll add this one. Now it's generating it. All right, it just finished, so let's watch it. Very cool. And if you want to, you could open it in your editor or download it. If we opened it in editor, there it is. Then we could add more to it or make changes, etc. So let's go back. In the video effects section, there are quite a few of them. Let's keep going. Oh, these video building blocks are new. Check this out. We'll start with video hooks. Look at these. They already have the text and movement built into the design. Next are video sound effects. So these have sound effects already added to them. Definitely come in here and check these out because I am sure you'll find several you'll love. Next are the video text effects. These are already pre-built for you, so just add your content to save yourself a lot of time and look professional too. So that's those. There's also a lot more templates down here. So now let me show you something else. So I'm going back to the home page, and I'll click on Video. I'm going to stick with Landscape, and I'll make sure that I'm in Templates. And what I'm going to do up here is I'm going to click on this. And now you see I have options to add something to this particular video I want to work on. So I can upload something, I can add something from Canva, or I can import something. So for now, let's add something from Canva. And I'll go to my Uploads. And you can choose images, videos, etc. I'm going to choose a few videos. So what I've done is choose a few of my videos to put in this new particular video I'm about to make. So I clicked on the ones I wanted. See, I'll just click right here to select it. So we've got that one, this one here, here, and here. So I chose some very short videos. Next, I'm going to choose these. Okay. And I'm not even going to put anything here, just to see what it makes for me. But you could if you wanted to. And now I'll click Generate. And now it's actually making a new video for me using these pieces. It just finished. So let's click here. And there it's been added. Now check this out. So when I clicked on it, it put it here. And see, these things are all things I can edit. Canva AI added the text and all this other stuff. Remember, I didn't give it any details at all. Here are all the video pieces. But Canva added some music and lots of little additions. But now that it's done, you could make changes to everything. What an amazing time saver and so very cool. So there you go. So that is the magic video feature. You definitely need to try it out. Let's go back to the home page. Watch this. I'll choose landscape, then drag in a picture that I've created. There we go. I'll go to edit, click on that. Then I'll choose image to video. Click on that. This is one of their new AI tools, and they've recently upgraded it. Originally, it was 3 seconds long. Now it's 5. So you have 2 choices inside here. You can either let the AI do all the work for you, or you can give it directions. For now, I'm going to let the AI do it all for me. So click there. And look at that. Let's add this to our design. You could always generate it again if you didn't like it, but now it'll add it here. And you can click here to play it. Look, it's leaving footsteps in the sand. So that is really amazing. Okay, so that's another thing that you can do here in the new Canva AI 2.0. For now, let's back out of here and go back to home. Now I'm going to show you something new that is just really amazing. First of all, I'll go to Uploads and get one of my old talking videos and add it over here. How about this guy? This is short and sweet, so I'll add him there.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to class.
He has a nice voice. And now I'm going to come back over here to text, click on that, then come down here to captions. I'll click on that. Remember, before, Canva offered very basic captions. But check this out. If we scroll on down, look at all these. Canva has added so many more captions that we can use now. I am so happy about this. If you roll over them, you can see what they do. Let's try one for now. I think I'll choose this one for now. I'll leave the colors as are, but you could change them. So click this, highlight it, and now you can see we're going to apply these captions to this video. So let's generate the captions. And it's pretty fast. So you see, there it is. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There you go. Now you can see each of the words there. If we go back here to captions, we could change the style. You can always edit the words here. We can also change the style from over here. Imagine I don't like that one. Let's change it. See, it changed it automatically. I like this one, and I like the color and the one word at a time feature. This updated feature is just amazing. So now when you want to come here and add your captions to your videos, you've got probably over a dozen different styles, font types, etc. So yeah, Canva has really upped its game in this department. But if you haven't had a chance to check all these new things out yet, definitely come back here to the homepage and go exploring. Just come in here, whether you're using a mobile version or whatever, and check out all these video hooks, sound effects you can make, video text effects, and all these other things that you can use now, which are so crazy cool. And these are just a few of the many things Canva has added in its April 2026 update. So come here and try them out. You might be really surprised with what you find and realizing all the new things that you can now do video-wise. Have fun experimenting, because I know I'm going to.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.